Meaning of innumerable.
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 Innumerable. The word innumerable refers to a quantity that is too great or numerous to be counted or calculated. It implies a vastness and immensity that cannot be easily grasped by the human mind. When we say something is innumerable, we mean that it is beyond measure or comprehension, whether it be the stars in the sky, the sand on a beach, or the thoughts that pass through our minds. This word speaks to the boundless expanse of the universe and the infinite possibilities that exist within it, reminding us of our own small place in the grand scheme of things.